Okay, this is for a Ipod Gen 4. I'm not sure if any of the others have the same issue, but after completely reinstalling a new one, a new screen and digitizer, then I realized once I tried to test it and looking back and I had a white screen, a lot of places said for you to be sure to get this piece off of the old one if your manufacturer did not send your replacement piece with it. I'm talking about this little silver mesh piece here. This attaches to this is the new video wire. You'll see it's going to end up attaching to the back of the new video wire. But it says just to use an X-Acto knife because I don't think you would be able to get this adhesive off. So I myself am going to use a razor blade and see how I get this off. And let me say too, if you don't end up getting this off, then you could end up with just the white screen like how I did and have to completely go back through this process again. It's going to be tricky, but I just simply will take the razor blade and slice down on this little piece here to separate it. And voila, that little bitty piece has caused me so much headache. Okay, I was fortunate enough that the adhesive from the other side actually made it stick onto there. I saw in other things you can actually use a little bit of super glue, so had that have been the case, I could have used some super glue or cut off a little slither of the adhesive that was shipped with the replacement part. So that's how it looks. We can go back through, this is the old one, new one, go back through the installation again, and I promise you, do this if your replacement part did not come with it, because again, I'm having to redo it completely a second time. Hope this helps.